Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have a yellow tint on your screen on Windows 10, so how you can fix it? So just go to start menu and just find in search tab, so just open search tab and just write here night light. So here you can see night light, so just open it. And here you can see that check if you turn off here. So here you can see when we turn it on, our screen become more yellow orange, so it's a color something like this, and if we turn it off it became blank. So just try it, I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.